Hello and welcome to a motor movie repair video. This one's been on nearly 7 years now, and it's a Reich and it's an auto engage one. But this past year it's been a bit erratic engaging onto the tyre. I'll demonstrate. It'll travel so far and then stop, but the other motor mover will continue to engage. That's stopped and the other one's still engaging. That other one's engaged, but if I give this a bang, it may move, it may not. No. So what I'm going to do is take it off, put it on the workbench, open it up and see if I can find the problem. I've got a T20 Torx bit. And I'm going to open this electrical cover. And disconnect the wiring. I've disconnected the power supply, so I'll disconnect the wiring. We'll tuck those out of the way. And now I've got a 17mm socket to take the two bolts off that are holding the motor to the framework. They're the two holding the motor to the frame. And now I can lift the motor off. Now it's on the bench, I'm going to take this out and take these two T20 Torx screws out. Hopefully this cover will come off. It looks like there's a motor inside here that operates this slide mechanism to engage the roller onto the tyre. Because you've got the smaller wiring connections for this motor and the larger wiring connections for this motor that drives the roller. It looks like this section's bolted on from the back of the roller, so it looks like I'll have to take the roller off. Try this 6mm, yeah, 6mm hexagon bit. Spring washer on there. There's the roller. That's the inside of it. There's the torque screws. It's a 30 torque screw. I think we need to stand that up. I need to take this back plastic cover off which the electrical terminals sit in, because I can't get this off otherwise. The electrical connections looked okay, although the negative side was a little bit loose. Just squeeze the terminals together slightly. And push them back on. That feels tighter. So there's another motor inside there that operates the slide mechanism to engage the roller onto the tyre. Put the roller back on. What I'm going to do now is clean this grease off the sliding bar, because that shouldn't be on there. That was put on when it was serviced. Reich say use silicone spray only on there, because if there's grease on there and the sliding bar's going in and out, it can be abrasive if grit gets stuck into the grease. Spray some silicone lubricant on the sliding bar. We'll fit it back onto the Caravan and see if tightening those electrical connections made any difference. Right, we're back at the caravan. Let's get the motor fixed back in place. Put the 2 bolts back in with the 17mm socket. Put the wiring back on now. So positive to the top, negative to the bottom on the large terminals. That's those. And positive to the top. Negative to the bottom. Cover back on. That's it. We'll see if it works. This is the big moment. It's worked. Disengage. Engage. Disengage. Try the roller. Engage. Disengage. Marvellous. That's all it was, a loose connection. I've actually saved a lot of money by doing it myself, and I'm pretty pleased with that. I'll see you on the next video. That's all it was, a loose connection. And that's all it was, a loose connection. I've actually saved a lot of money by looking at it myself. And that's all it was, a loose connection. And that has saved a lot of money, having to send it away for the cost of